Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Typefully versus Hypefury comparison. Which is the best Twitter tool for growth and automation? Well, Typefully and Hypefury are popular tools designed to streamline your X workflow, boost engagement, and grow your audience. Both offer scheduling automation and other features, but they differ in their approach and pricing. So let's explore their strengths and weaknesses to help you make an informed decision. You can check out both platforms via the links in the description below to get a head start. Now, when it comes to the features, we'd like to start with Typefully. You have drafting and thread creation, AI writing assistant, scheduling, engagement tools, cross-posting where you get to share content on LinkedIn, Threads, Blue Sky, and other social media platforms. Then you have analytics to track performance and collaboration with your team to work together. When it comes to Hypefury, you have scheduling and automation. You have cross-platform posting, engagement builder, inspiration panel where it offers viral tweet examples and writing options. Then monetization features get you to work with Gumroad for automated sales. You have AI writing assistant and tweets to reels options where you get to automate the creation of your reels from your tweets. This of course is available on specific plans, which brings us to the pricing. Starting with Typefully. You have the free plan and it's limited to one account and has 15 posts per month. The creator comes at $12.50 per month when billed annually, and this includes unlimited posts, AI writing, advanced analytics, and more. The team comes at $29 per month and adds team collaboration features. The agency at $79 per month is great for managing multiple accounts. When it comes to the pricing recommendation for Typefully, if you're serious about consistent posting and leveraging AI to enhance your content, the Creator Plan offers excellent value with unlimited scheduling and AI assistance at an affordable price. Now to Hypefury. You have the starter plan at $29 per month, and this includes 1x account, auto plugs, and basic engagement. The creator comes at $65 per month, where you get to manage 5x account, enhanced engagement, and limited tweet to reels option. The business is at $97 per month, where you get to manage 10x account, advanced engagement, and more tweet to reels. The agency at $199 per month includes 15x accounts and extensive features. When it comes to the pricing recommendation for Hypefury, we recommend the Creator Plan as this helps you to take advantage of cross-posting to other platforms alongside automation features, thus balancing the number of accounts with advanced features. And now to the pros and cons, starting with Typefully. With the pros, you have a user-friendly and clean interface, affordable starting price, a robust free plan to test the waters, strong focus on writing and thread creation, cross-posting to multiple platforms. Then on the flip side, with the cons, you have fewer built-in monetization features compared to Hypefury. And now to Hypefury with the pros. You have strong scheduling and automation capabilities. It is excellent for cross-posting to popular platforms like Instagram and Facebook. It offers built-in monetization tools, as we mentioned about Gumroad, and an inspiration panel that can help you with content ideas. On the flip side, with the cons, it has a higher starting price compared to Typefully. The free plan is limited to a 7-day trial, and the user interface can be perceived as less intuitive by some. In conclusion, both Typefully and Hypefury are powerful tools, but they cater to slightly different priorities, as you might have noticed. Typefully shines with its user-friendly interface, affordable entry point, and strong writing focus with multi-platform support. Hypefury, on the other hand, excels in robust automation, cross-platform capabilities, and built-in monetization features. Well, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and budget. So don't forget to check the link in the description to both services when you've made your choice at the end of this video. If this was helpful, do let us know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.